Hi, Bestie. It is day one of the unboxing of Baddies and Budget 12 Days of Budgeting Advent Calendar, and this is the one that only had a red box. So, this has to be the finale of all things, and I cannot wait to see what it is. Baddies, Bankrolls, Games. Okay, level up your savings. 10 fun game-based challenges. Alright, let's go ahead and open this box to see exactly what it is. Oh! Yes! Those Uno cards. So last week I was looking at they had, Baddie's Bankroll Games, they had the Uno challenge, and then I saw Connect 4 challenge. I was thinking about buying it, and baby, I am so glad I listened to my intuition and did not buy it, cause baby, this is it. Alright, so this is a A5. It's like an off-white binder here. I am in awe already. I can't wait to get into this. We got some game pieces. This is definitely leveling up my game with the Saving Child because I don't have anything like this. I don't have anything like this. Alright, so you got the different pockets and the card slots here. Let me go ahead and remove this from the binder. I am at an all-time high. This is a great way to end the unboxing. And I'm excited. It's just the fact that I was thinking about purchasing some challenges off of Ko-Fi, that Uno game, and I'm so glad I didn't. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead. I need to add the cash envelopes to this binder. Alright, so here's the Connect 4. I was looking at that because I saw Miss Sadie playing Connect 4 and I was like, oh, I want that. Word search. And I'm always hearing about some shut and save. And I never done it before. And I was like, cause T always taught about shut and save. And I was like, yeah, rock, paper, and scissors. I have a Stackopoly. How you say it? Stackopoly or whatever. But I ain't never played it. Alright, so Baddie Land, Candyland, okay. Baddie Bingo, oh no. Rolls to Riches. I'm excited, guys. I cannot wait to start to use these challenges right here. And these are the pieces that we received. Got some little Uno cards. Now, this should be fun, and I'm ready now to really set out my plan for 2026. My financial goals, my financial savings, with the tools that I have here. I'm excited, and I always see other people that has like little things to play with the game pieces, and I never had them before. Look at the little bingo cards. So I'm excited. Look at these little cupcakes. I'm so excited to start these. Got some dice. Got 2 sets of dice. Yeah, I'm really, really, really excited about this. And this should be really, really fun. Really, really fun and saving some money. So I'm excited about this. And like if this is the last day, let me know your favorite items from the Aesthetic Baddies 2025 Christmas Advent Calendar Box. Let me know. Let's see. Should I pull this out? I don't know how it is. Let's see. I don't know if it's more than one. Let me see if I can pull this out. The Rolls in Riches. It's sticking to the package. So this is the Rolls to Riches. Okay, so it's one-sided for this. And I do like that the outer pocket on the outside of it is where you have the game pieces there. And here's the Uno. And like I said, I was thinking about purchasing an Uno Savings Challenge. And now I don't have to because it's included with this. So I'm looking forward to this as well. I'm excited. So I can't say this is one of my favorite items that's in the box. I like that cloth discbound system, have letter system. I love the estate planning, the life planning. Trying to think. Alright, this is the Stackopoly. Stackopoly. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. But anyway, I'm trying to think what else. Those are things right now that stick out in this box. And I like the $10 challenge. I love that too. But right now, those are things that's sticking out that I absolutely love out the box. Let me know what your favorite thing is, bestie. Okay, so this one has Shut and Save has 2 pieces here. So that's it of all the unboxings. I want to thank you so much for joining with me as I unbox my first Baddies and Budget Christmas Advent calendars. So now that I have shared all of the items that was included in the box, my top items that stood out to me, I love the $10 binder spiral challenge. I love the estate planning challenge. All the black cash envelopes, the cloth like discount system, and also this A5 binder that has all the challenges. Love all of those. Those are my top items in the box. So I'm looking forward to utilizing them in 2026. So let me know what stood out for you that you will utilize. Alright, bestie, have an awesome day. Toodles.